How are you, Toni?
I'm very well, thank you, Esteban.
I think it's good we talk about the difference between a mentor and a coach.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what is the difference?
I know, but you probably can explain better than me the difference between a mentor and a coach.
Okay.
Please, Esteban.
So a mentor is a person who has already been where you want to be.
Mm-hmm.
So it can be just 1, 2, 3 steps ahead of you. It doesn't has to be a super, the super millionaire person in the world, but it's a person who has been is ahead of you and can give you the guidance.
Mm-hmm.
It's like give you the map,
Right.
the steps to follow to reach that point.
Okay.
And it's very useful because you don't need to do the same mistakes and try, error. It just gives you the precise steps to follow. And
And
the coach,
the coach,
is,
that's the.
is a person that doesn't tell you what to do, but through questions make you realize what you need to do in your life, depending on your goal. So first of all, it helps you to set a goal with his or her guidance, and then keep you also accountable. So if you have a session with the coach and you say, okay, next week I'm going to have this ready, and next week if you have that ready, it's going to be okay. What is going on? But also just having that person in your life, is like to have this.
The support, I think. Yeah,
the accountability.
Accountability. Yeah, I 100% agree with you, Esteban. I had a mentor, and I still have a mentor, Carlos. He supports me throughout it, and he's been there running agencies and doing all the businesses, similar businesses as mine. And he also keeps me accountable, and we kind of like follow different action plan, different actions, and we can check through if we've been doing it or not really doing it, because you have to take the action. Finally, is the important part.
And the mentor work could be a person or it could be like a program. For example, here in the UK, I have done 2 programs. One is the Spark Up, and the other was NatWest Entrepreneur Spark Up, also called. And
the other one I will add is the Business Grow Hub group that supports. It's another program that is free for everyone.
Yeah, some programs, at least here in the UK, are offered for free, so you have to apply. And if you get there, they give you not only like lessons, master classes, but also they assign a mentor for you within the program. So you have a meeting with that person every week, every 2 weeks, and the process that we have.
I would say from my experience, I would like to share this, because sometimes they assign you someone that is more like a business advisor, but you need to make sure it's important business advisor, because they helps you with the process of creation your business, the idea, developing a canvas model, which is absolutely important, critical to run a business. But then make sure that you connect with a mentor who is different than an advisor or coach, totally different.
And also I have, for example, right now I have 2 mentors. So depending, especially if you are a business person, but it could be also for personal, because you can have a mentor for finance, you can have a mentor for strategy, you can have a mentor or coach for your physical well-being. So it's not like, I have a mentor and that's going to solve all my life. So depending on your budget and your willingness to improve and how quickly you want to improve as well, you can have more than 1 mentor.
Yeah, so do I. I have more than a mentor. Financial support, advice, mentor that supporting me with the idea of creating a marketing agency, and support on coaching for like mindset that you can actually exercise.
Mindset is also very important.
Mindset is so important,
because we can work hard, but if we don't have the right mindset, we might not doing well, because we have some beliefs that are limiting us, like I'm not good enough, this type of negative limiting beliefs. And a coach or even a mentor helps you to cut out these beliefs and change for empowering beliefs.
Yeah, from a mindset, I mean, from this matter, I would say, well, myself, been running for almost 3 years, But I would say that some days are really hard because you think about, oh, if this is not going to work, or I'm not going to be good enough. This is imposter syndrome or whatever we all know. And that can stop you from creating, be creative, from moving forward. So you need to get support and help. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to get support and say, okay, I need help with this. How can a mentor or coach help you with that?
Okay, so let's summarize.
Yeah.
Why is important to have a mentor or coach?
I would say first of all is because it guides you through the entire process based on their own experience, because they already been there. A mentor has to be someone that's already been there, is already been successful, or not, doesn't necessarily be super successful, but it's already been failing and has some succeed in the area you like to work, the business that you want to work.
In a specific area, yeah, where you want to work, exactly.
Then secondly, I will say in terms of connections and introductions, it's so important because in business it's all about building relationships. And if you need someone that can provide you some service, he will contact you with that person. Or if you're looking to run your own workshops, he will connect you with that organization that will help you to run that workshop or make an intro to someone. That's so important. I mean, absolutely key. People trust people, so you need to get that support, introduction.
Exactly, because they have already been longer in that specific industry. They have a bigger network, and if they see that you are improving and you are following them and you are good for other people, you can be good for other people, they can just directly recommend you, and the recommendations are the best way to get the connections.
100%.
And I would say also to gain confidence. They help you to believe more on yourself. Cutting these limiting beliefs, I would say.
Yeah, actually, well, you will doubt of yourself sometimes, so depending on like what you are working on. But then it's good, like you get that reassurance from someone that it keeps you believing and keep you positive on and believing on what you do.
And because depending on the goal, if it is an ambitious goal, the path is going to be long and hard. So that will help you also to keep accountability. To the moments that you are low, they will bring you up.
Exactly. I mean, like the accountability is absolutely key. I mean, like you have to have a plan, but if you don't complete those tasks and if you don't do and try, you're never gonna get to that point where you wanna get.
So that's all.
That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
See you soon.
Yeah. Bye.